The rehab and the training do? Well, rehab and training ultimately just build a huge amount of capacity in our body so we can deal with more things more often. It is just adding stress on the body in a way that it is adaptable to and non-threatening to, that allows it to then cope with bigger and bigger tasks over time. So that's why we talk on improving our strength and our mobility and getting good activation through certain muscle groups and improving our cardiovascular fitness, is because it gives us more capabilities and more capacity to deal with things. And so you can see over through here, the buffer zone, the safety margin, becomes bigger and bigger, right? The more function we have in the body, the more abilities we have, obviously the bigger the safety zone there. Is it a bulletproof way to never have pain or injury again? No, like things still happen. But your recovery is better, the intensity of the flare-up is often less, your ability just to kind of continue doing other things, mentally you're in a much better place for those flare-ups as well. So we learn a lot through building the system.